equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Thermomix TM31 panel can sometimes become unresponsive or display errors, which can be frustrating during meal preparation. This issue often arises from wear and tear or electrical faults, and if left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications or complete device failure. To repair the panel, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement panel. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Thermomix TM31, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once open, locate the panel, which is typically connected by a few screws and cables. Gently unscrew the panel using the Phillips screwdriver, noting the type of screws used. Disconnect the cables attached to the panel, ensuring you remember their positions for reassembly. When replacing the panel, align it correctly and reconnect the cables, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging any nearby components. Reassemble the casing by snapping it back into place, ensuring all clips are secure. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that the device is kept clean and free from moisture, and avoid excessive force when using the panel. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.